What's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. Um, I'm so excited. I had got my 100th subscriber. So I wanted to welcome you. I don't know if you're a guy or a girl, because what it is sometimes we get an email. Sometimes we get an email alert, but sometimes it comes late. So I don't know who you are yet, but I wanted to thank you, on this channel. It's great. It was great, the journey to 100 subscribers. I love it. I really do like it. I want to know what you guys want to hear, especially you, Mr. or Mrs. 100. It's a very special milestone in the channel of Rafi West. And I'm just very happy for that. We got a phone call here. I think it sounded like that. But anyway, I'm just really glad. I'm watching here a lot of the stock market about the trade fears, rock commodities, etc., etc. They're about to say, is Bitcoin finally a safe haven? So I think I might have mentioned that a little bit before, that is like crypto investors' dream, that Bitcoin could be a safety net for this. And I started to meditate a little bit. I started to meditate more on the spoonk acupressure mat, which you lay on the ground and you lay on it. It's almost like a bed of nails. You lay on it. It's best to start with a shirt. Let me see if I could take it out, in fact. All right. We're going to see here. Oh, I almost got poked with some nails there. I'm going to see if I could get the spoonk mat out for you guys. It's in the bag here. I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. Here's what it looks like, the spoonk mat. And it's basically like a bed of nails. Okay? And you lay on it. You lay on the bed of nails, the spoonk mat. And what I did is I started with 5 minutes, and I keep my shirt on. You could still see when you take it off after this. I just lay on it still and just relax. And I try to stay on it for 5 minutes at a time. I usually do it at night before bed. It's supposed to improve your sleep. And trying to get off a chiropractor invoice. I don't mind seeing the chiropractor. There are benefits to that, but I'd like to, even though health is a forever thing, I'd like to maybe get off the chiropractor for a bit. And between the spoonk mat, which, like I said, you basically just lay on, it probably like is the size of your back. Okay, there it is. So between that and the foam roller here, here's another thing. This do almost reps on it. You can roll your back. You can put it up against the wall and roll your back. I usually also go on the floor with this as I would go on the spoonk mat. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to do the spoonk mat right here, right now. So you just lay on it. I don't need my shades for this. I'm not even outdoors, but there you go. You basically lay on it, and for about 5 minutes is good. There's also a headpiece that you could put for your head, or you could use it for your feet by standing on it, and it improves the circulation of the blood in your feet and legs. And it was very intense the first time I did it. I almost started to get hot, and it was warm out. It was during a heat wave, and it might even raise your pressure a little bit. If you have unregulated blood pressure, meaning it's not normal or you're not taking meds for it, unregulated, meaning like untreated, you shouldn't do the spoonk acupressure mat. Okay, it's if you have normal pressure, either by it being regulated or by it just being normal. That's how you would do the spoonk acupressure mat. So maybe this could be a health tip for you guys, and you don't have to have back problems for this. Like I said, this is more to relieve stress, and it's acupressure, without actually going and paying for a visit. It's an acupressure mat. Not much to talk about with this. You just basically do it. You start small, like with anything else. I first mentioned meditation here. You start small and you build up, so that's what I'm going to do. And then the foam roller here, which I showed you, I basically do the same thing. I'll lay on this. I'm just going to put it behind my head for now as a prop up. I would lay on this. Maybe not. It's probably not good for posture. And then you would roll on that. So what I would do is I would put my hands behind my head, almost like you're about to do a sit-up, and I would roll back and forth. And as long as you have some core strength, you should be able to do it. And a small amount of time, 10 to 15 reps, 3 sets. And so that's what I try and do to combat. Like I say, you don't have to have back problems for this. For this, it's mainly to reduce stress, improve sleep. I'm always looking to improve my sleep, and maybe get off the chiro and just feel stronger, overall. This is not a shortcut to intense exercise or activity. Make sure you're not doing flurries of activity, which means just like bullshitting yourself, basically. Chiropractors and all that, they're not shortcuts to, okay, I did that, so now my body's fine. You still have to work out and stuff like that. All right, so that's about it. I'm going to lay here only for a few minutes because I don't want to fall asleep. This is not before bedtime. I'm just doing it so I can be comfortable as I shoot this video, this message, as really a welcome to my 100th subscriber. I think that is great. And next milestone, hopefully. And I will talk with you guys another time. They're going to talk about BTC in a moment. Actually, there's breaking news about North Korea firing 2 projectiles by the South Korea media. So who knows what's up with that? So much going on lately. So much going on, Very busy news week so far since the weekend. Anyway, I'm trying to make the most of it. And I will talk with you guys another time, all right? Peace.